Supine internal rotation combines isometric adduction plus active internal rotation. So what I mean by that is you're going to be doing an isometric contraction of your adductors by squeezing a block or a foam roller, and then you're going to be actively moving into internal rotation. This is going to help us to activate those groin muscles. Those are some of the main movers of internal rotation. Start by lying on your back, and I want you to be thinking about the position that your spine is in. So I don't want my back totally flat against the ground, but I also don't want it overly arched. I want to try to keep a neutral position in my spine. So I should be able to just slightly put my hand underneath my lumbar spine. I'm going to pull my lower abdominal muscles in, and then I'm going to put the block in between my knees. I'm going to squeeze my legs together. Okay, this is that isometric adduction motion, pulling those lower abs in. Then I'm going to lift my legs up. I'm going to re-find that position of squeezing my legs. Then I'm going to try to bring both feet out to the side and then come back to center. And then both feet out to the side and come back to center. So this, I'm actively moving into internal rotation when I do this. This is hard for me. I can't do this very easily. So I'm really trying to just isolate that movement. So I need to be thinking about my thigh bones are turning in toward each other, okay? You might even want to use your hands on the back of your thighs to kind of pull them out to the side. And then you see how my feet are moving out to the side. Then that is that internal rotation range motion. I'm going to do 10 just like this. Remember, you want to be really specific about how you're moving because it's not easy to activate these muscles. So I want you guys to be really precise with how you're moving because that's what's going to create a really good foundation for then adding in the next layer. Remember, if these don't really feel that accessible to you, it probably means that you need to spend a little bit more time first working on the internal rotation mobility